Fulvic acid is considered a humic substance, meaning it's naturally occurring and is found in soils, compost and marine sediment. The fulvic acid is a product of decomposition and it's formed through geochemical and biological reactions, such as the breakdown of food in a compost heap. It can be extracted from compost, soil and other substances to be produced into a supplement. Shilajit is a substance secreted by rocks in certain mountain ranges around the world, including the Himalayas, and is particularly high in fulvic acid. The shilajit is a blackish-brown substance and it comprises of 15 to 20% fulvic acid content. It also contains small amounts of minerals and metabolites that are derived from fungi. The shilajit has been used therapeutically for centuries in traditional healing practices, including Ayurvedic medicine, to treat conditions like diabetes, altitude sickness, asthma, heart ailments, and digestive and nervous disorders. It's also been used to stimulate the immune system and to enhance performance. Fulvic acid is believed to be responsible for many of the shilajit's medicinal properties. Both fulvic acid and shilajit can be taken as supplements. While fulvic acid is typically produced in liquid or capsule form and combined with other minerals like magnesium and amino acids, the shilajit is usually sold as a capsule or a fine powder that can then be added to beverages. Research demonstrates that both fulvic acid and shilajit can boast many various health-promoting properties. They can reduce inflammation and boost immunity. The fulvic acid has been well studied for its effect on the immune health and on inflammation. Research indicates that it may bolster your body's defense against illnesses. Test tube and animal studies show that the fulvic acid can improve disease resistance, increase your immune defenses, fight inflammation, and enhance antioxidant activity, all of which bolster the immune health. Fulvic acid may be especially useful for reducing inflammation, which negatively affects immune response and is linked to numerous chronic diseases. For example, test tube studies demonstrate that it can limit the release of the inflammatory substance like tumor necrosis factor alpha. A study in 20 people with HIV found that taking shilajit at various doses of up to 9,000 milligrams per day, combined with traditional antiretroviral medication, led to health improvements when compared to antiretroviral medication alone. Those who received the shilajit experienced fewer symptoms of nausea, weight loss and diarrhea, and furthermore the treatment enhanced people's response to the medication and it seemed to protect their liver and their kidneys from the medicine's side effects. Some research suggests that fulvic acid can promote brain health. Animal studies note that the shilajit can improve the outcome after traumatic brain injury by reducing swelling and pressure in the brain. Additionally, test tube studies show that fulvic acid strongly interferes with the clumping of certain proteins that accelerate brain ailments like Alzheimer's disease. And what's more, a preliminary 24-week study in people with Alzheimer's determined that supplementing with shilajit and B vitamins led to stabilized brain function when compared with a placebo. Some animal research also suggests that the shilajit can enhance memory. Animal studies suggest that fulvic acid can decrease LDL or bad cholesterol. According to a human study in 30 people, it may also raise HDL or good cholesterol. In a 12-week study in 60 adults with obesity, 500 milligrams of shilajit daily helped to improve muscle strength. Plus an 8-week study in 63 active men showed similar results with the same amount of the compound. Shilajit has been used for centuries to treat altitude sickness. Fulvic acid may help to treat this condition by enhancing the immune response, stimulating energy production, and improving oxygen levels. Animal research demonstrates that the shilajit can preserve the function of the mitochondria, which are the energy-producing organelles of the cells. Some test tube studies indicate that the shilajit may induce cancer cell death and prevent the spread of certain cancer cells. A 3-month study in 96 men found that taking 500 milligrams of the shilajit per day significantly increased the testosterone levels when compared with a placebo group. Ayurvedic medicine has used shilajit for centuries to enhance gut health. Some researchers suggest that it may positively affect the gut bacteria, enhance the nutrient absorption, and improve digestive disorders. For more information about nutrients, herbs, supplements, or health conditions, check out my website.